Hi friends, welcome. Here we have a nice exponential equation m to the power 27 minus m to the power 18 is equal to 18. Okay, so let's start how to solve this problem. So m to the power 27 can be written as m to the power 9 cube minus m to the power 9 square is equal to 18, right? Let m to the power 9 is equal to t, right? So this equation will change as t cube minus t square minus 18 is equal to 0, right? Now if we use remainder theorem to factorize this, if t is equal to 0, right? So here 0 minus 18 not equal to 0, right? If t is equal to 1, so this as 1 minus 18 is not equal to 0, right? If t is equal to 2, so this as 8 minus 4 minus 18 is not equal to 0, right? Now we will take if t is equal to 3. So this t cube 27 minus t square 9 minus 18, right, is equal to 0, 5. So t minus 1 is one factor of equation t cube minus t square minus 18 is equal to 0, 5. Now t cube t square as minus 3 t square plus 2 t square minus 18 is equal to 0. So t square as common t minus 3 plus 2t square. If we subtract 6t and add the same, right, 6t minus 18 is equal to 0, right? So t square t minus 3 plus 2t as common, so t minus 3 plus here 6 as common t minus 3 is equal to 0, right? Now t minus 3 again as common, so here t square plus 2t plus 6 is equal to 0, right? Now we have two cases. Case first, t minus 3 is equal to 0. Here case second, t square plus 2t plus 6 is equal to 0, right? So t is equal to 3, right? As we have assumed t is equal to m to the power 9 is equal to 3, right? So m is equal to ninth root of 3, right? If we go with this, as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, standard quadratic equation, right? So t will be equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 4 into 1 into 16 over 2 into 1, right? So t will be equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 20 over 2, right? So this will be a complex number, so we reject this value, right? Now we will take this value, check, m to the power 27 minus m to the power 18 is equal to 18, right? So m is 9th root of 3 to the power 27 minus m 9th root of 3 to the power 18 is equal to 18, right? Now this can be written as 3 to the power 1 over 9 to the power 27 minus this again as 3 to the power 1 over 9 to the power 18 is equal to 18, right? So this will be 3 times, right? So here 3 cube minus 2 times, so 3 square is equal to 18, fine. So 27 minus 9 is equal to 18, right? So 18 is equal to 18, right? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay friends, thank you.